Hey guys, we're back on the 1953 Ford F100 with a seized flathead engine. Let's see if we can use a little bit of mechanical encouragement and Evapo-Rust to break this engine free so we can put it back together and get it running. Thanks for watching. I've given all of these pistons a little tappy tap with the small sledgehammer and a chunk of 2x4, and I'm not seeing anything that kind of looks like movement. By far, that third cylinder back on this side is the ugly one. If we could convince that one to go down a little bit and get in there and clean that up with the hone, I think we probably wouldn't be in too bad a shape. The rest of these don't look too bad. I do have something I'm willing to try. We'll drizzle a little bit of Evapo-Rust in there and see what happens. See if that can somehow fix things up a little bit. Let me grab that. I don't know if there's a good place to put you guys here or not. We'll see what happens. Evapo-Rust removes rust to bare metal. Well, it's certainly doing something. I don't know if it's cleaning the cylinders up or not. I'll let that soak on there for a little while, see what happens. Well, the Evapo-Rust did something. I don't know that it did what we wanted it to do, but it did something. What I'm thinking I might try here is put a little bit of heat in there with the torch, and then hit it with some PB, and just kind of cycle it back and forth and see if that does anything for us. I think, I'm not positive, but I think that's our main troublemaker right here. This one isn't helping matters. Down by the piston, it's still a little bit crusty, but I think this one that's up near the top is probably our troublemaker, and hopefully we can get this to break loose. I am running out of time today. I got a service I got to do on a Bobcat still, but we'll give this another half hour or so, and then we'll go and deal with the other stuff that's got to be done. Let me get set up here with the torch and some PB, and we'll see if we can get it to take some penetrating schmoo. Well guys, we've made some really good progress here today. Unfortunately, we're not quite there yet. I think we're going to end this one here and continue on the next work session. We'll fill up these cylinders with Marvel Mystery Oil and let them soak and coat the rest of the engine in lithium grease so that it doesn't get any rustier than it already is. If you have any suggestions on what I can do to break this thing loose, by all means, leave me a comment. I'm not completely out of options here. I got a few more ideas up my sleeve. You guys will have to check back for the next video for that. We'll get a little bit more aggressive. Evapo-Rust obviously wasn't quite good enough to get this going, and the percussive maintenance didn't really seem to do much at this point. Thanks a lot for stopping by. If you got this far in the video, can you give me one of those thumb up things? Can you give me a like? And consider subscribing to the channel. Lots more video content to come on this 53 Ford and lots of other things that I got going on. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll catch you in the next mess.